If you've been searching for how to Claude login, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to log into Claude step by step so you can get into your account fast and start using it right away. This is a simple process, but if you've never done it before, I'll walk you through everything clearly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to Claude.ai. This is the official website for Claude, so make sure you type it correctly to avoid landing on the wrong page. Once the site loads, you'll see the Claude homepage. On that page, look for the Login button. It's usually near the top of the screen, and this is what you need to click to begin the sign-in process. After you click Login, Claude will take you to the sign-in screen. From here, you'll be asked to choose how you want to access your account. You can sign in with your email, with Google, or with another linked account depending on how your Claude account was originally created. If you use Google to create your account, just select Google and follow the prompts. If you used an email sign-in method, enter your email address and continue through the verification steps. If you have another linked account option available, you can use that instead. Once you choose your preferred sign-in method, complete the authentication process and wait for Claude to verify your account. In most cases, this only takes a few moments. After that, you'll be logged in and taken straight to your Claude dashboard or chat interface, where you can start asking questions, generating content, or using Claude for your workflow. And that's it. You now know how to log into Claude in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.